In this world, there are some products that have tiny size but comes with powerful performance, just like Volkswagen Golf GTI. It looks like a regular hatchback, but inside it's a true monster. Small size and big power. It must have some unique technology to achieve high power, high performance in a limited volume. Small size with big power. There are so many welding products say that, but unfortunately, most of them are not true, powerful, and reliable. Fake maximum current and fake duty cycle are common. In this case, BOSJOB TIG300C Lite has less than half size of our classic machine TIG300D, but it can achieve 30% duty cycle at 40 degrees C based on 270 amp output conditions. If you have no idea about what is 30% duty cycle at 40 degrees C, here's a reference. This machine can stay at 30 degrees C environment and keep 220 amp output more than 20 minutes. No overheat, nothing burn, no power trip. It was definitely a very good performance compared to most competitors. To achieve small size with high power, high duty cycle, we have made very detailed optimization for IGBT board, main transformer, main inductor, HF inductor, and even IGBT output waveforms just to keep the heat under control. Although limited small size, but the material must be good. Take this 220V single and 3-phase virgin machine as an example. We use 5 high-quality famous brand capacitors with 2800 μF total capacity, and the overvoltage protection varistor, EMI protection circuit, soft start circuit is not lacking. Excellent arc ignition performance, 5 arc ignition and keep is just basic. All 13 welding parameters can be accurately pre-adjusted digitally. Classic single-point cold welding, continuous cold welding function is also necessary. CP key can turn on such as MMA stick welding plus high-frequency ignition and other special modes. Complete various protection can be connected to the pre-darkening mask. Trigger torch switch. It will change color before the arc ignition. Good to protect your eyes. It can be said that we have done as much as possible in this size, in this weight. For the inverter welding machine, the lower temperature of IGBT will give you longer lifetime, less failure rate. That's why we try our best to study to improve the waveform, thermal grease, heat sink, to keep the IGBT cool. This machine also comes with some thoughtful suggestions from customers, such as a reusable cable tie on the back of the machine, so you can easily store the power cord of outdoor using. When you are switching the welding parameters, you can press those 2 buttons next to the knob, or you can also press the knob to switching welding parameters. When you are adjusting the value, direct rotation can add or subtract single-digit values, and press rotation can quickly add or subtract 10-digit values. With your enthusiastic suggestions, we can continuously revise and improve better products. Pay attention to us, we will keep rolling. See you next time, bye bye.